I'm back. What is up, sailors? How you doing? I've been gone for a while, but now I'm back with a bumper list of things to do and tons of content for 2023, so stick around. So first up, we have the 1980s Mainland, that wonderful little 15-foot Mainland. I restored all the windows, did a ton of paint work, but I hadn't quite finished it. Still got to get the electrics done, and I've got to get that engine running. And talking of which, yes, the DT 9.9, the Suzuki. Absolutely wonderful engine, came with the boat, but I haven't actually got it started yet. So I've got a battery, got a few bits for it, give it a service, and I'm going to do a whole episode dedicated to getting that engine running. And then hopefully, let's get the boat out on the water and see how it all does. Next on the list, we got that ginormous 21-foot Phantom Cruiser. If you remember last year, we gave it a scrub and a wash. Problem really is it's stuck. It's stuck on the trailer. I need to get it off the trailer and get to work on it. But you know, at 1.5 tons, it's no mean feat. So that's my big job on that one for this year. Then we've got the Whitcomb Unsinkable, the blue Whitcomb Unsinkable. Now I picked that up last summer. It was supposed to be a perfectly good boat I could just take out on the river. That's not true. Actually, the hull's damaged. It needs some more work done on it. So I'm not going to take the risk. I'm going to get and restore that properly, and then we'll take that out on the river. And of course, next, talking about small little boats, we have Sharky. Wonderful little boat that was ready to go last year. We took that out on the river, if you remember. Absolutely wonderful boat. But the only thing is, it's a tender, really. It's not super stable. You can't really get very fast on it. But it was a fantastic introductory to boating, and we got out on the river. We had some fun. So I'm going to prep that, and actually I'm probably going to be put up for sale and moved on. Now, of course, not forgetting the absolute gem, the one boat which I am really looking forward to, and that would be the 1995 Shakespeare Summer Sport. I am itching to get that boat restored, running, and out on the water. It's going to be an absolute blast. I'm so looking forward to that. Unfortunately, over the winter, it's sat outside. It's in a pretty poor state, but it's not beyond salvation. So I'm going to be running a load of videos on that, and I really hope you're enjoying on that, because that's going to be an absolute gem, that one. Now, of course, what channel would it be without all these outboards? I've got loads of outboards. Some of them you've seen, some of them you haven't. But the real biggies, the real nice ones, got the Evinrude 65, and I've also got the Johnson 40. Two big engines. For me, they're big engines. I've never worked on anything of that size, and I haven't got those running either. However, I'm very, very confident this year we'll get those up and running as well. That should be an absolute blast, especially the Evinrude 65, getting that one out on that Shakespeare. I don't know, there's faster boats out there, but I'm a newbie, so I'm going to take it gently, and I think I'm really looking forward to getting on with that. And of course, all the other outboards, we've got the three little ones sitting above me here. They're absolutely great, they're all runners. Decide what we're going to do with those. It'd be nice to take them obviously all out on the water, test them, see how they're going to do. And then of course we've got the Seagulls as well. There's a Seagull rally twice a year, not too far from where I live. Got to get these little boats running, get the Whitcomb, get a Seagull on there, get out on the water, join up with a rally. Absolutely fantastic. And then last but not least, I got a little Hatsu 2.5, absolutely in pieces. It's, well, I've taken it apart. I've actually spent probably about 8 months tinkering with that. Had a seized piston on it. I finally freed it up. So I really, really want to get that sorted out now. Get it running. Wouldn't be fantastic. The state that thing was in, if I could actually get it running, that'd be a real achievement for me. So there's a quick roundup of all the projects I've got lined up for this year, and there's some new ones which you don't know about. Thank you to all the subscribers, old and new, means an awful lot to me. So stick around, and I'll see you on the next one.